Committing material consumption to stock is an essential process in inventory management, ensuring accuracy and control over the use of materials. To commit material consumption to stock, follow the following steps. Navigate to the Inventory module and select Material Consumption. In the newly opened window, under Consumed Item Details, select the storage location, where the materials are being consumed or will be deducted from. After selecting the location, select the name of the item being consumed in the drop-down as shown. Enter the quantity consumed in the provided field. In the description field, enter the item description, which should be clear, concise, and include important details about the item for accurate inventory tracking. Enter the reference, which is typically a unique identifier that distinguishes the item for tracking purposes. Then click the plus button to add. Now, to commit your consumption to stock, select the consumed item as shown and click on the Commit Material Consumption to Stock button.